Welcome to this explainer, everybody. Today, we are going to completely shatter those limiting beliefs that might be holding you back from launching a profitable online business right now. If you've been sitting on the sidelines, kind of thinking you need a massive budget, a full-time team, or some brilliant tech background to get started, well, you are in exactly the right place to have your mind changed.
Okay, let's just dive right into this arrestingly simple number, 78%. That is the percentage of startups in 2026 that are completely self-funded. What that means is you can start your journey with exactly $0. You heard that right. Not a small loan, not maxing out your credit cards, zero capital. Personal savings and a laptop are actually becoming the preferred path for millions of entrepreneurs worldwide, completely bypassing those traditional barriers to entry.
So here is our roadmap for today. We've got 5 core pillars: the zero capital revolution, monetizing a small audience, the digital product advantage, marketing with short-form video, and finally, avoiding common beginner pitfalls. Stick around, because if you do, you'll have a complete masterclass roadmap going from $0 to scalable income.
Let's kick things off right now with Section 1, the zero capital revolution. Now, this brilliantly illustrates the massive contrast between the rigid old way and the flexible 2026 way. It used to be all about VC funding, massive physical inventory, and huge teams. Now, it's all bootstrapped digital products, AI tools, and solo freelance agility. Technology democratization and AI act as the great equalizers here. You're basically trading capital for agility and creativity. What's really fascinating here is this specific quote. Only 0.05% of startups secure venture capital funding. That absolutely proves that traditional funding isn't essential for business creation at all. It's heavily overvalued. All you actually need is creativity and a bit of strategic thinking. Plus, by bootstrapping, you get to keep 100% control of your vision.
Moving right along to our next pillar, Section 2, monetizing a small audience.
Okay, we need to quickly debunk what is easily one of the most toxic myths in the creator economy today. The myth that you need 100,000 followers to make a living. You absolutely do not need millions of followers. An enormous passive audience is just going to scroll right past you. But a small, highly engaged audience, they will happily pull out their credit cards. Deep connection beats shallow reach every single time.
Let's actually look at the math for a second, because this is absolutely crucial. Say you have just 1,000 followers, right? If a mere 2% of them buy a $20 hyper-niche product, boom, you just made $400. That infinitely beats relying on platform ad revenue, which honestly just pays pennies per 1,000 views. So there are 4 great ways to monetize those small audiences. Direct fan support, like a tip jar, selling hyper-niche digital products, launching a private community, or offering high-ticket one-on-one coaching. But to really succeed here, you absolutely must collect emails. You've got to move your audience off of rented social media platforms and over a bridge to a digital home that you own entirely. Which brings us perfectly to Section 3, the digital product advantage.
So how do we build true passive income without endlessly trading our time for money? Take a look at this matrix. It condenses your options down and shows exactly why digital downloads are the fastest entry point. They are highly scalable and require low effort once they're made. Contrast that with memberships or productized services that just demand continuous, ongoing work. Seriously, you could create a simple e-commerce guide and make $10,000 in a month on absolute autopilot.
If you're wondering how to actually package your knowledge into an ebook, this condensed roadmap shows you how AI-powered tools make it so easy. Step 1, define your target audience. Step 2, choose a compelling topic. Step 3, craft an effective hook. Step 4, outline, write, and edit. And Step 5, format and publish with AI tools. You can literally go from a completely blank page to a fully formatted, scalable asset without hiring a professional designer.
All right, on to the 4th pillar, marketing with short-form video. Once your zero-cost digital product is ready to go, you obviously need eyeballs on it. Enter the hub and spoke model. Smart creators are definitely not filming 24/7 anymore. Instead, they're recording one comprehensive video or podcast, and then using AI curation tools to automatically extract multiple viral-worthy clips tailored for different platforms. You are basically multiplying your reach while cutting your production time by an incredible 90%.
Here is the exact AI content pipeline you're going to want to use to maintain a daily posting schedule without completely burning out. Step 1, batch record your long-form content. Step 2, upload it to AI for automated clipping. Step 3, review and select the most engaging clips. Step 4, apply your visual brand kit. And Step 5, schedule platform distribution. Just like that, you're everywhere all at once. Oh, and we absolutely cannot forget this detail. A massive 85% of social media videos are watched without sound. That makes bold, animated captions absolutely mandatory for engagement. If you skip this, you're just losing the vast majority of your potential buyers before they even get to hear your pitch. Finally, let's wrap up with Section 5, avoiding common beginner pitfalls.
Let's make sure you don't stumble at the finish line here. Avoid these top 5 beginner mistakes: selling to everyone instead of a specific niche, assuming build it and they will come, waiting way too long to make a sale, underestimating your content strategy, and trying to do everything yourself. You've got to act like a smart fitness coach, hyper-niche your offer, actively promote it, and use AI or virtual assistants to delegate all those low-value tasks. I really, really love this punchy reminder. If you're not making offers, you don't have a business. You have a hobby. It hits the nail right on the head. You literally have to start selling before you even feel ready. Offer a $29 guide, build that trust, and then organically step people smoothly up to your high-ticket offerings. So what is the ultimate takeaway from this explainer today? The 2026 way is all about action over planning, creativity over capital, and persistence over perfection. Technology right now is the great equalizer, but execution, well, that is entirely up to you. To wrap this all up and actually turn this knowledge into immediate action, I want to leave you with one big question. What is one small, hyper-niche, zero-capital product you can launch and sell this week? The tools are there, the capital requirement is literally zero, so what's stopping you from starting today?